All runners that participate in trail running would love to see trail running in the Olympics.
越野跑本身它是有它自己非常独特魅力的一个项目。
Merging both the sports I love, trail running and Olympics, it would result to athletes becoming more competitive, more professionalized.
My name is Janet and I'm the president of the International Trail Running Association. We are here in South Korea organizing the first ever Asia Pacific Trail Running Championships. All runners that participate in trail running would love to see trail running in the Olympics. I think the attraction of that, of course, is that it makes people even more involved. It's not just watching it on whatever you watch it on these days. You actually will be experiencing it physically and mentally. It is a very attractive proposition. If you look at the development of trail running, it starts off with ordinary people like you and me doing this activity. It's never started as ultra competitive. I think it's people challenging themselves. So in a way, it comes from a different angle. It all starts with people trying to challenge themselves out in the great outdoors, and then it becomes more and more competitive, rather than it's a discipline where only the elites do. Trail running has a very special culture and strong core value.
About trail running in the Olympics, I basically grew up watching the Olympics. It's something that I always get excited to. So trail running is sports that is born out of passion. And I think that passion would inspire and would bring more attraction to the Olympics.
越野跑本身它是有它自己非常独特魅力的一个项目，比如说人与自然的这种结合，每个人自我的挑战，对手之间的一些竞争，上了奥运会又会变成国家之间的竞争，然后为了这个全球的这种金牌之争。像越野跑这个项目，一般都是在比较漂亮啊、风景非常优美的这个山地去跑，所以呢，我觉得是一个非常有观赏性的项目，会给奥运会增添一些活力、绿色啊、环保啊和人与自然更和谐的这种环境吧。